Hey guys, and welcome to the Review Millennial channel. I will be reviewing the Hitman HD-3M electric drum kit. So in the box, it came with the chair, the drumstick, and also the headphones. And if we take a look here, the snare part of the drum is not all rubber, so there's like this meshy part over here. So it sounds different when I hit this part, and when I hit that part, we have the hi-hat pedal, the hi-hat, the crash cymbal with like a choke bit over there. We have these three toms, the right cymbal, and also the pedal, and it also came with that cable over here there on the floor to connect it with my computer. And also to turn it on, we also have this bit of the drum, the like settings part of it, I guess. To turn it on, there is a button over there, and this is to adjust the volume. There's a lot of drum options over here, like disco, pop, rock, etc. And these are just the settings. And in the next clip, I will show you what the drum sounds like when I play it. I think the sound is really good for an electric drum kit. This cost about say $400, $400 and even more. Maybe I'll just put in the price in the description down below. But for a drum kit that isn't very expensive. I know it's still pricey, but like it's good quality for a price like that. And I will insert a clip of the drum sound right now. And that is basically it. I hope that this video helps you in some kind of way, helps you in picking an electric drum kit. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions about this drum kit, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!